Are you a curious person? Did you always ask a lot of questions when you were a kid? When somebody else asks a question, do you hunt and hunt until you find the answer? Well, questions are a great way to open your introductory paragraph because asking a question makes your reader think of an answer. And if that answer is related to your topic, you have grabbed your reader's attention. Your goal in using questions in your hook is to lead your reader's attention gradually towards your topic. That's why I like 3 questions, because one question is just too short and sudden. You ask your question, the reader answers, and now it's time for your thesis. 3 questions, you can lead them a little more gradually. Your first question should be something broad, where everyone answers affirmatively, but they don't know what your topic is yet. Second question is more close to your topic. The third question works best if the answer is your topic. Here's an example. Do you like sweets? Is chocolate your favorite food? Can you name the place in Pennsylvania where the whole town smells of chocolate? These 3 questions lead my reader gradually to my topic, Milton Hershey. In your conclusion, you're going to have one sentence that links back to the question in your hook. You can either mention a key word or phrase from your initial question, or you can ask a whole nother question. Both of them are fine. Just try both out and see which one works. Here are some examples if you opened with those questions about Milton Hershey. You could write, if you ever make it to Hershey, Pennsylvania, be sure to stop and smell the chocolate. Or, are you aware that the original Hershey chocolate bar only cost a dime, but the size fluctuated depending on the price of chocolate? Or another could be, the next time you reach for a sweet, what will it be? This last question is good because the answer is your topic, Milton Hershey.